Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily update your firmware on the TP-LINK Deco X50. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to more in the TP-LINK Deco app, and here scroll all the way down until you guys see the system. Now, what you guys want to do here is click on Update Deco, and we need to make sure that our Deco is connected to the internet. Mine isn't, so I cannot update it. But basically, after you click on, let's say, Try Again, then you will see the window to update your TP-LINK Deco immediately. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.